Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make remarketing audiences list in Google Ads. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply click on enter. After that it will take a couple of seconds to open up the browser. Here you can see, then simply type in Google Ads in the search bar, then simply click on enter. After that it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded, and from here you have to simply go to this website. From here you can see, just simply click on it, and after that it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. And here you can see that there are two options: sign in and start now. Choose it according to your preferences, and after that it will simply take you to a dashboard like this. And from here what you need to do is simply click on the tools icon in the left hand side, and from here in the tools icon you have to just simply expand the shared library option, then simply click on the audience manager, then simply click on the plus icon here, and here you can just simply create the remarketing list. And here you can see there are lots of options now: website visitors, app users, YouTube users, customer list, Google Analytics, customer combination. You can choose any of this and create a remarketing list. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.